Syed Arif Hussain, and I'm with you with a new vlog. At the moment, you can see behind me, we are in Gifu Prefecture. This is onsen. You can see a very famous hot springs in Japan. Basically, onsen is means that it's a hot spring, and you can find these kind of onsens at many places in Japan. I was seeing there are, for example, in Gunma Prefecture, in different other prefectures, and there are quite big onsens as well. So before coming to their benefits, so you can see actually what kind of activities you can do here. Actually, you can bath in open air. At the moment, you can see in this onsen, people are not bathing, people are just sitting with their, you can say that, legs inside the water. But overall, in big hotels, you can find onsen, and people usually bath there. So basically, why Japan is famous for onsen, because there are many volcanoes in Japan, and how, for example, you can see this water. This is a hot water, and this is a beneath hot water. Like water is getting hot from groundwater, and now there are many benefits of even drinking this water. You could not drink this one, but for example, if it's in safe place, so if you drink this water, it's better for constipation. It's, for example, if you're having loss of appetite, it's good for you to have more appetite. And the most I guess good benefit at the moment, many of the person, including me, I'm suffering from some gastrological issues. For example, your stomach is not good, so drinking this onsen water can actually help you out to have a better stomach, and it can treat your gastrological problem. So overall, the concept is quite good, and you can spend your leisure time here. You can sit there, and particularly in winters, and you know Japan is having quite a long season of winter. So see, for example, if it's a winter, you are here, you're sitting here, or even you are bathing in this water in open air. So for example, when air is moving, air is circulating, so you are inside the water is hot, so it becomes like a very good mixture of everything. So I hope you would have enjoyed. And for example, if you visit Japan in future, any prefecture in Japan, just try Google Earth, use Google Earth and try to find nearby onsen, and must go there. And if that is winter, that would be amazing and fabulous. Now we are trying, I'll go there and I'll ask Naveed to capture me. So let's see how the water is, then I'll tell you over there. So let's go. So first of all, as you can see, onsen is there, so I have to wash my feet. So I'll take some water here, and then I have this place. See, like, because maybe my feet are having some dust or some kind of particles, so it's better to wash them before going inside. So now I am ready to go inside it. Okay, so finally I'm inside this onsen, and you can see water is bit hot, hotter than normal. I'm trying to adjust my temperature, but I'm quite hopeful that it would be adjusted in some time.
How it feels?
It seems good. It's quite good, and you can see many people are enjoying. Even you can see Japanese. If you can show Japanese people, they are actually taking bath. I'm also maybe planning to go inside. Maybe in some moment, if I think that I can go, so I'll try to go inside. But it's overall a good activity, Naveed, and I guess everyone should try it. Or whoever is getting a chance to visit Japan, so it's a must-visit activity. So must do it, and particularly we'll try to take bath in winter, because it's a summer, so you know.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Hot water is difficult. Yeah. How is it? Now you're taking.
It's so hot, but it's amazing.
Yeah,
I can feel it.
It's amazing. So overall, it's good. I think it's good to take this bath. Thank you. So must visit Japan. Particularly if you're in Japan, try to see, and even if you're not in Japan, this is for your information, that this onsen concept. I'm not quite sure about other countries, but this is very common in Japan. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.